Apple is intentionally keeping a massive secret from you. Right now, sitting in a dark, locked warehouse somewhere, is a completely finished and fully manufactured new Apple product. It is boxed up, it is ready to ship, but Apple absolutely refuses to sell it to you. Instead, if you walk into a bright, shiny Apple store today and hand over your hard-earned $99, they will gladly sell you a piece of technology that is over 2,000 days old. You are buying a device running on a processor from 2019. This is from an era before the tech world even knew what Apple Intelligence was. Welcome to Educational Hub. Today, we are exposing the bizarre reality of the HomePod Mini and the massive, calculated master plan Apple is about to unleash on the smart home world. Think about this for a second. It has been over 5.5 years without a single hardware update for the HomePod Mini. While Apple was busy completely reinventing the Mac with their incredible M-series chips, launching the futuristic Vision Pro headset, and redesigning the iPhone 4 separate times, they left their most popular smart speaker to gather dust on the shelf. They treated it like a forgotten relic. But they did not forget about it by accident. The truth is much more calculated, much more strategic, and honestly, a little bit scary for their competitors. What they're actually preparing to unleash is a synchronized strike. This is a master plan that will make Amazon and Google panic. To truly realize how crazy this situation is, you have to look at what you are actually buying today. Let us rewind the clock to the fall of 2020. When the HomePod Mini first launched, it was exactly what Apple needed. They were losing the smart home war. They desperately needed a weapon to fight off the incredibly popular Amazon Echo and the Google Nest Mini. The original, massive HomePod was too expensive, so they made the Mini, and it was a huge success. It sounded surprisingly incredible for its tiny, softball-like size. It had that magical ultra-wideband chip. You could just tap your iPhone to the speaker and instantly hand off your music. It felt like magic. Best of all, it hit that perfect $99 price tag. People bought them by the millions. But then, Apple just stopped trying. They completely abandoned the hardware. Since that launch day, the only so-called innovations we have seen are a few new paint colors. They gave us yellow, blue, and orange. They slightly changed the shade of gray. But underneath that colorful mesh fabric, nothing changed. The brain inside the current speaker is the ancient S5 chip. That is the exact same piece of silicon that powered the Apple Watch Series 5. Remember that watch? It came out ages ago. Because of this old chip, the current HomePod Mini is holding on by a thread. It absolutely cannot run Apple Intelligence. It struggles with anything beyond basic, everyday commands. It relies on a version of Siri that feels completely brain-dead compared to modern artificial intelligence. Yet people keep buying it. They buy it because it is cheap. They buy it because it easily connects to their iPhones. Apple knows this, and they're taking advantage of your loyalty while they plot their next move. Apple could have easily slapped a slightly faster chip inside that little speaker a year ago. They could have called it the HomePod Mini 2. They could have made millions of dollars overnight. In fact, top industry insiders, like Bloomberg's highly respected Mark Gurman, have confirmed this exact secret. A new HomePod Mini has been completely finished since late last year. The design is done. The manufacturing is ready. So, why on earth are they holding it hostage? Why hide a finished product from millions of eager buyers? The answer is simple but shocking. Apple is absolutely terrified of embarrassing themselves on a global stage. Think about what a smart speaker actually is. A smart speaker is nothing more than a physical, plastic shell for a voice assistant. It is a vessel, and right now, Apple knows their voice assistant is the absolute weakest link in their entire hardware ecosystem. Siri is a joke in the tech community. They're currently ripping Siri apart behind closed doors. They are rebuilding it from scratch to be a fully integrated AI-powered powerhouse. Launching a brand new, physically upgraded HomePod Mini right now that still uses the old, frustrating version of Siri would be an absolute PR disaster. Tech reviewers on Yout, Ube would tear it apart. Technology blogs would write terrible reviews. The stock price could even take a hit. So, Apple made a ruthless, highly strategic decision. They paused everything. They hit the brakes on the entire smart home division. They are hoarding the finished HomePod Minis in warehouses. They are holding back a brand new, full-sized HomePod. They are even delaying a massively upgraded Apple TV. They're starving the market on purpose. Why? So they can launch them all at the exact same time. This is the synchronized strike. Apple wants you to buy this new speaker, ask it a highly complex question, and be completely blown away. They want you to experience a new Siri that finally understands context. A Siri that handles multi-step requests with ease. A Siri that processes commands instantly without having to think about it for 10 seconds while a white light spins on top of the speaker. When Apple finally opens the floodgates, the smart home market will never be the same. This massive launch is heavily rumored to happen this fall alongside iOS 27. When it does, we're going to see a complete and total takeover of the smart home. The new HomePod Mini is expected to skip several generations of processors. It will not just get a tiny upgrade. It will pack a massive S9 chip, or even something newer. That is a massive leap in performance. That is the kind of raw, untapped power needed to handle on-device AI routing instantly. Your voice commands will not have to travel to a server in California and back. They will be processed right there in your living room. But the upgrades get even better. Apple is heavily rumored to include their brand new N1 chip. This means flawless Wi-Fi 7. It means next-generation Bluetooth. It means lightning-fast thread networking. If you have smart lights, smart locks, or smart blinds, this new networking will make your entire house react instantly. No more waiting. No more, "I'm having trouble connecting to the internet" errors. It will just work perfectly every single time. And they're not stopping with just a tiny speaker. Remember that synchronized strike? Apple is simultaneously preparing to drop a new Apple TV. But this is not just any streaming box. This new Apple TV will be equipped with the incredibly powerful A17 Pro chip. Yes, you heard that right. The exact same processor that brought Apple Intelligence to the mighty iPhone 15 Pro is going straight into your TV box under your television. This is a game changer. This will turn your Apple TV into the ultimate, heavy-lifting AI hub for your entire house. It will take a massive processing burden off the smaller speakers. The Apple TV will do the heavy lifting. This keeps your data totally private because the processing happens inside your house, not on a cloud server. This is no longer just about selling you a cute little speaker for your nightstand. It is so much bigger than that. Apple is preparing a massive, interconnected AI ecosystem. It is designed to totally dominate your living room. It will dominate your kitchen. It will control your entire house. Right now, retail stock of the old HomePod Mini models is completely drying up worldwide as we speak. Shipping times are slipping. Store shelves are emptying. This is the absolute ultimate proof that this massive launch is right around the corner. The warehouses are finally preparing to unlock their doors. The 2,000-day wait has been incredibly frustrating for Apple fans. It feels like we have been left in the dark ages of smart home technology. But if Apple delivers on this promise, if they give us a truly smart, seamless, AI-driven home experience, it will have been entirely worth the wait. My honest opinion is that the current HomePod Mini is a terrible purchase today, but the unreleased version is going to be the most important device Apple releases this year. I believe it will finally bridge the gap between premium hardware and actually useful artificial intelligence. It will finally make the smart home feel smart. What do you guys think about this massive, calculated delay? Are you holding out for the new, AI-powered HomePod? Or have you already given up on Apple's smart home vision and switched to Amazon Alexa or Google Home? Drop your most honest thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If this video opened your eyes to Apple's secret strategy, hit that subscribe button right now. Share this video with your tech-obsessed friend. DS and smash the bell icon so you never miss the truth behind the tech industry. Thanks so much for watching Educational Hub, and I will see you in the next one.